again, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time joining me today. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Hannah. As you know from my name down below, I say that every time. My dogs are probably going to pop in and out of frame. That's just how I do things here. But today, I have not my first unboxing, but I don't do very many unboxings. So I have a Lush package unboxing. I don't think there's anything on that side. No, there's nothing on that side that really gives things away. But anyway, I have the box here. I cut it open already, so I wouldn't have to struggle with that on camera. I took out a couple of the packing peanuts or whatever so they wouldn't get everywhere all over my living room. But this is a package that my boyfriend ordered for me. He did tell me what it was, but I honestly can't remember because it's been over, a day. It's been over like 24 hours. But anyway, this is like all bath bombs, I'm pretty sure. So let's just jump into it and I'll show you kind of what it looks like on the top. So that's how it looks. I don't want to spill the peanuts everywhere. So there's like a gift set in here, but I'm going to get the individual stuff out first. So this is an Ickle Baby Bot bath bomb, and he's just a little robot there doing that beauty guru hand thing. So he's just a little robot, and what does he smell like? He smells kind of like citrusy to me. Oh, lavender. Yeah, I smell that now. Lavender and sandalwood, I believe. There's a little bit of lemon in it too. Yeah, so that's the Ickle Baby Bot. And what else is in here? I really do not remember, you guys. Here's something else. This is, what are you? The Intergalactic Bath Bomb. This is one of my favorite ones. I love it. It makes your water so pretty. I can't remember if this is the sparkly one or not. There's one that's like really multicolored like this, and it has sparkles, and then there's one that doesn't really have the sparkles. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. Popping candy. Peppermint. It's like really rubbed off. Grapefruit oil. Yeah, I definitely smelled the peppermint the most, but I also smell the citrusy stuff. I'm into it. I love this. I've had this one before. I've never had the Ickle Baby Bot before. That's one of the ones I've never done, but I have had this one before, and this one's like one of my top 3 favorites. So like, get it. It's good. If you want to try one from Lush, this would be the one bath bomb that I'd tell you to try because I love it. And then what is this one? Oh, I've never done this one either. This is the Metamorphosis. Oh, that smells very like charcoal-y. Charcoal and patchouli is what I'm getting out of that. Oh, black pepper too. I'm seeing some black pepper. Myrrh. Yeah, it smells very like spicy. Like, my favorite smell is patchouli. And this has a lot of patchouli, I don't want to say tendencies, but it's got the vibe of patchouli and scents like that, like the really warm, spicy scents. Those are my favorites. Yes, I love this. I'm going to love this, and I hope it turns my water like grayish black or something. But the inside might be bright because it's called Metamorphosis, so I don't know. I don't know if they have like a video on this one. Sometimes they have a video of what it looks like as it, explodes in your bath. What is this? Oh, okay. This one is called the Experimenter. And it's either this one, I think it might be, I think this is the one with the glitter. No, this is the one with the glitter in it. But you can see that they're very similar. They're like really multicolored. This one makes your water super pretty, and it's not a mess to clean up. It's not that glittery. This one is extremely, extremely glittery. Like I said, this is the Experimenter. And this one, it's hard to describe it. Citric acid, popping candy, vanilla. It is very vanilla-y. And I'm looking for the other things. Mostly I see not the glitter, the vanilla. But this is really good. It smells really good. It makes your bath smell amazing. And it's super glittery and colorful. With this one and this one, when I do these, I get out my phone and I take pictures with the flash on, because when you do that, it's like it obviously reflects the light back and just gets the water, and it makes beautiful phone backgrounds. That may be super lame of me, but I do that every time I do these two, because the backgrounds are so pretty. If you just take a snap of the water at any point, so pretty. I definitely recommend this one too, because I love this one, but it does leave a lot of glitter in your bathtub, and it can be kind of dumb to clean up. Like, it can be kind of a hassle, but to me it's worth it because it's fun. You're having fun. Okay, now this is the one that I don't really know about. A lot of times they have, like, what is this? What the heck? Is this like a free sample? I'm confused. I'm gonna put the box down. This was in the very bottom of my box, and I don't know if this is, I'm guessing this isn't part of like any of the other, like this set here. It's called Bohemian, and I think it's like, it's a piece of soap. It's really tiny though. What is this? Is this a piece of soap? What the heck? I don't know. Do they do free samples now? Is this a free sample? Did you order this? It's called Bohemian, and I think it's a small piece of soap.
I don't think I ordered it.
Do they do free samples now?
Yes.
That's so weird. What the heck? It was in the very bottom of the box. Like, I don't guess it's part of this.
They might have sent free samples before, we just never noticed it at the bottom.
No, I would have noticed.
We don't necessarily take all the...
But I'm the one who opens it. I noticed.
Maybe this is a free sample.
I think it's soap. I don't know. So next, this is the Happy set. I guess it's just called a gift set or whatever. Oh, it tells me on the back what all is in there. It says the Avo Bath Bomb, Big Blue Bath Bomb, Yellow Submarine Bath Bomb, the Bright Side Bubble Bar, and Happy Thoughts Bath Oil. So the only one I've had out of here is the Yellow Submarine one. I don't know if you can buy the others on their own, but this is very cute. And also I can't get the ribbon off. I'm gonna have like pieces of bath bomb all over the living room. Okay, so now the ribbon's off. Isn't this wrapping paper adorable? I'm dead. I just got like freaking shards of bath bomb and like just crumbs everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna open this. This is so messy. I just got my nails done too, so I'm like trying to be careful, and I kind of can't be careful because I didn't really want to rip that, but it's taped in a million places, so don't tell me I'm gonna need another pair of scissors. Oh God. Is this entertaining? Are you not entertained? Okay, so it's in this green box on the inside, and it's covered in bath bomb crumbs. It feels terrible, but okay. All right. So, I want to show you the inside of this box. It looks like this. Hopefully you can see with all the packing peanuts not falling out. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Oh goodness, these are not wrapped, and my Yellow Submarine is shattered. Darn it. I should have known. The box is kind of beat up on the outside, but whatever. So I can't really show you the Yellow Submarine because it's shattered, but it's in here. Okay. what is this? What the heck? That is, I don't know. What are you? I guess this is like the bath salts or whatever. It doesn't really say, but it's covered in powder and it looks like this. I'm assuming it's the bath salts. I don't know. I don't know. I think this is like the bubble bar or whatever. That's the bubble bar. This package is a mess, but it like smells really good, so I'm kind of not that mad about it. I'm going to go ahead and assume this is the big blue bath bomb, which has like stuff poking out of it. I hope it like has petals in it when it dissolves. It all smells the same, so I can't really differentiate the smells right now because they're all packed in here, you know. Ooh, that one smells really good. Oh, it makes me want to cough. My sinuses are acting up, but that's what she looks like. Very cute. Very cute. And I can show you the sad little pieces of my yellow submarine bath bomb. I can try to reconstruct, but here it is. It's like in all these pieces, but it's the one that I've had before, so I'm not like annoyed. Like obviously I can still use it and I know what it looks like when it's whole, but my hands are covered in bath bomb crumbs right now. But anyways, yeah, that has been my Lush haul unboxing thing. So there's that. Huge thank you to my boyfriend for ordering these for me. You're the best. 10 out of 10. Love that. So anyway, thank you guys once again so much for joining me today. Leave me a like if you like this video. Comment down below. Tell me what your favorite Lush bath bomb is. And subscribe because I make new videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you guys once again so much for joining me today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.